Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today we'll talk about how to deploy a React application within Heroku. So Heroku is a platform that will allow you to deploy your React application, your Node application into it. So we'll see how that happens. So I have this test application that I am using for a React course. So basically, you create a burger and you just say, uh, I'm gonna create a burger and order now, and this just save the orders onto the database, and that's pretty much it. It's a database that lives on Firebase. So this, I just place this order. So if I go here, there will be an order here with the stuff that I place. All right, these are the ingredients, and this is the user. So this is just a React application. This is what I'm sending when I place the order. This is just hard coded. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna put my email here, and I'm gonna save this. The application will be compiled, and then once the application is compiled, it's gonna be ready for me to test. So I'm gonna place another order, and I'll say salad and a lot of cheese, more meat and bacon. Okay, it's gonna have 3 cheeses, 2 meats, and whatever, right? So I'm gonna place this one, and the Firebase record will be here. It's the new one here, and customer should have my email. So now it has my email there. So that's the change I apply, right? So in order to push my changes into the Heroku application, I'll just gonna commit my changes into Git. So here is my Git repository. Here is where I change the email address. I'm gonna just submit this change, the email address, and push the changes. So once I push all the changes, the Heroku will realize that there is a new code there, and it's gonna build the application again. And that's how this thing works. So you configure Heroku um, for you to have a Git repository where the application will be deployed. So it's gonna say this is the repository where I'm gonna get the information. It needs to sign into your GitHub account, and then it's gonna deploy to this given URL. So hang in there. I'm getting issues with me sending the code to Git, so it's gonna be there soon. All right. So once the code is pushed, there will be this continuous integration thing here that will deploy the application. Here you say, well, this is my repository. This is the repository owned by me, and it's gonna do automatic deploys from master. So every time I push to master, there will be a deploy, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna grab the latest code and push it. So as I guess this application got hang. I'm gonna see what is going on. Push. So it pushed the change I did. Let's see here. Burger builder. And then commits. Update email address. This is the change we just did, right? So this will trigger a deployment here. So if I go to the overview, you'll see that there is a build in progress. So this build in progress will be like Heroku has like his own Jenkins in there, so it's building the application from scratch again. Now that there is a change there, and this is the application URL. So this is my Heroku app. Right now it's deploying, so maybe it will get some time to load. But once it's loaded, it's gonna be there. So as you can see, all the times I do change, this will be deployed, build and deploy every time I push to master. And you can configure that within this deploy tab, and you say, I don't want to be for master, but for dev or for whatever are your branches, right? And this is like continuous integration, you know. This is you can put test on your build, so it's gonna test before deploy. And if the deployment fails because it's not able to compile, it's gonna be there. So if I go to all activity, maybe you can see the history when I was starting, and there are some builds that fail because some dependencies were missing. So this is very cool. It's your own continuous integration for your React application within Heroku. So this thing is for free. It depends on you if you want to, if you have like a very successful application, maybe you move out of here for learning purposes. This is great. So here is the Bulga builder. So but I'm gonna place an order, and I am expecting this order put the the database with my last password that I last email that I put here, right, in the customer. So right now it's still using test@desk.com. So maybe this is like an old version of it. So because the build just finished and just deployed just now, so I'm gonna do this in incognito mode just to make sure it reloads everything. Because you saw here, it's not having the email we changed into the pool. So let's put one of each and then place the order. So here is, and here is with the new email, right? This was with the cache that was on my browser, I believe. So that's why it was there. So it was very easy, right? And in order to configure this, it's not rocket science. It's gonna be very simple for you. You just go to the Heroku, create an account, and then you can start deploying. All these platforms will be there for you. I have used the Node.js. I haven't tried with these other ones, but the Node.js is pretty straightforward. You go here, getting started with Heroku, you just download the the client for your OS, and then prepare your app, which basically you clone your application and then deploy the app, which you do Heroku create within the app, and that will push the code that you have on repository to your Heroku account. You need to just sign in your Heroku account within your computer so you can do these things like Heroku create. Otherwise, it will the first time it will create or it will ask for you to put your credentials there. So that's pretty much how this thing works. You go, you say Heroku create and push to master, and then that will do the first thing, which will be create the application. Like this is my first application that I created with there. So it put some random names there. You can put the name you want, but when you do it with Heroku create, it gets these cool and funny names for you and put it there. So this is like the free version of it, right? You can always get more features, but you need to pay for them. So that's pretty much it. You just go install your Heroku client and deploy your application. Every time you do push, that push will be sent to your GitHub account, and you can connect with other deployment methods, right? But I am using GitHub because it's more popular. And then configure here, and that's it. I hope you guys find this useful, and I'm gonna put the links for all these things into the description, and also I'm gonna put the link for the course I am taking for the React applications because it's very cool. It's an Udemy, so you can go and learn from that as well. It's very cool course, and the guy is very good in order to show you how to build the application. It's great, and it's updated. It is using always it's always updating the course. So I guess that's it for today, and stay tuned. Talk to you later. Bye bye.